In this demo, we are going to build an assistant for a scooter rental company that handles delivery status and product information related questions. I'm going to be connecting an MCP server and also adding data for RAG. Let's start. As you can see, this becomes an input to the copilot, and the copilot has already started putting together the agents. The copilot has created a tool to get the delivery status, and it's created a couple of agents, one for delivery status questions, one for product information questions, and a hub to orchestrate. I'm going to apply them all. Now I'm going to connect an MCP server that I have running in my local host. The MCP server is connected, and we can see that it has two tools. I'm only interested in the get delivery status tool, so let me only enable that. The tool now shows up here. It's being mocked by default. I'm going to change that. Now let me add the data for RAG. Now I'm going to add a couple of URLs so that Rowboat can scrape them and use that data for RAG. Now I'm going to ask the copilot to add the MCP tool and the data to the respective agents. The copilot has now made the necessary changes. Let's take a quick look. I'm going to apply them all. Now that we have everything set up, let's quickly try out a test chat. So what happened here is that when I asked it a question about my delivery, it went to the scooter rental assistant, which passed control to the delivery status agent. The delivery status agent asked for my order ID. I provided it, and it called the get delivery status tool with the order ID, got back a result from the MCP server, and relayed that information to me. Now I switched gears and asked it a question about the range on one of its models. This question went to the delivery status agent, which passed back control to the hub, which called the product information agent. The product information agent did a RAG search with this query, got back a bunch of results, and summarized the information for me. Now that we have tested this assistant, we can deploy it and either interact with it through the API or create a trigger so that the assistant is automatically called whenever you get a support email. While this was a quick demo, Rowboat lets you build these powerful real-world assistants, connect tools and data to them, and deploy them in multiple ways.